trying to do a real quick repair today. Just going to try to replace the steering stabilizer that we have, because it's looked like it's seen its last legs. I'm going to try to replace it with this Old Man Emu, one that I got from Rover's North. Yeah, this is for the steering stabilizer.
Okay.
Got this plastic piece. But the question I have now is, like, how the hell am I going to get it out? Because I think I'm going to have to take this off.
And you don't want to take this off?
I actually have a new one coming because it needs to get replaced. And so if I take it out, that's not a big deal. I got to put it in if we want to use it for anything. But I think I have to take it off to get this thing out. It's really once I take it out. So can you hand me the socket wrench real quick?
Socket wrench, yeah. Here.
This is where a crescent wrench would come. Nice crescent wrench would come in handy. I need a nice set of crescent wrenches. I feel like I'm gonna drop the wrench on my face. Hands overhead is a awkward way to wear it. Hey, look at that.
Hey, it's out. I think. I don't actually know.
All of that just to remove that.
Whatever that is.
I mean, it's kind of a nice protector thing, but sure as heck don't
Need it.
need it, because I mean, it's broken. It's not really.
Doing anything.
Yeah.
If anything, we should get a metal one. It would be like a skid plate.
Yeah, we might be able to get a skid. Well, they have diff protectors. Steering stabilizer is right there. I've already taken this bolt off. That one shouldn't be so bad. I'm a little worried about that one, but I'm just gonna hit it with some more PB Blaster. So that shouldn't be a big deal. We're gonna see what we can do here. So the one thing I don't have really well is a nice set of crescent wrenches. I need to get a nice set. That's not that big a deal. Okay, so now let's look at this one. Here. So that's much bigger, but there's still a 15 on top. I don't actually know. Okay, so it's still a 15 up there. Okay. I haven't broken this one yet, so I'm a little I'm trying to get it, but that's okay. Got a breaker bar. I need to get it. I can get it. And hopefully. Whew. Stop button. Alright, I'm gonna grab that breaker bar. Let's see if I can get that to come off. Okay, so I've got it's a 3/8 inch. In a good spot. Okay. Right, is that the right way? This is the right way. Gotta go that way. Normally I'd have Nate out here helping, but he was really anxious to do something inside that kind of ran out of time just to do today. I just told him to go ahead and do it. Now the tricky part of this is I don't want this to come back crashing down on my ribs. That would not be the most fun thing ever. Okay, so that's out. Okay, that's that. So this is the new one, Old Man Emu. Guess it's gonna go in this orientation. It's a little bit shorter. Okay. So this is it. Okay. That one's in. We'll just put this bolt in. First, hand tighten the nut. Now, other one. And then I'll just tighten everything up. So, I'll work this a little bit. Okay. So that's that. So that one's always the more difficult one. But I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten that one up first. Put this one on. So this. just like that, our Old Man Emu is installed.